by using quadratic formula method how to solve quadratic equation जानेंगे इस वीडियो में. Okay, let's start. Okay, so before discussing about this topic, I am just telling about little bit introduction regarding what is the meaning of quadratic equation. Fine, let's suppose I am writing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called as a quadratic equation, right? Why it is called a quadratic equation? Because look at here, highest power of the variable is what? 2. As the highest power of the variable is 2, obviously this kind of equation is called as quadratic equation. Fine. Okay, the question is asking how to solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, right? By using quadratic formula कैसे solve करेंगे? आंसर देना. Okay, so for that reason what you have to do? You have to check it out. That is one condition. What is that condition? Look at here. So you have tried if b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, then root exists. That means you can easily find out the roots. Okay, another thing is that, but if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then what will happen? Root does not exist. Fine, this thing that you have to remember, right? Root does not exist. Clear? Okay, fine. Okay, then if b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, then root exists means definitely can easily find out the roots. Okay, now let me check it over here. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. How can you find the roots? What is the formula? By using the quadratic formula method, right? I'm writing the quadratic formula method. So what is that? That is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, right? This is the formula. This is the quadratic formula, right? Minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay? Okay. So in this way, whatever the quadratic equation is given to you, simply you can find the roots. Okay? For example, I am giving here. Look at this example. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Fine. Okay. So here a is what? 2. Yes, absolutely right. The b is what? Minus 7 and c is what? 3. Yes, good. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay. So now let me check it. b square minus 4ac. Now let me check it here. b square minus 4ac greater than equal 0 हो रहा है कि नहीं? चेक करो. बी स्क्वायर मतलब बी का वैल्यू कितना है? माइनस 7 है. तो यहाँ पे देखिए माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. सी का वैल्यू कितना? 3. ठीक है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर कितना है? 49 माइनस ये आपका हो जाएगा 24. ठीक है. 49 minus 24 is what? That is 25 greater than 0. Fine. So 25 greater than 0 है. So what is the meaning of this? As 25 greater than 0, obviously you can say that you can easily find the roots of the quadratic equation. ठीक है. कैसे find out करेंगे? Look at here. Simply applying the formula over here. What is that formula? The formula is that is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. ठीक है. Just put it over here. ठीक है. तो minus b. Okay, so what is the value over b here? Minus 7. Okay, you have to write like this, minus then b का वैल्यू कितना? minus 7 then plus minus under root of b square मतलब ये minus 7 का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. minus 4 into a का वैल्यू 2 into c का वैल्यू 3. ठीक है. whole divided by 2a, that is 2 into a का वैल्यू 2 है. ठीक है. Okay, so now look at here, minus of minus is what? Plus. So this one is what? 7 plus minus. Look at here, this one is minus 7 का स्क्वायर कितना? 49 minus this one is what? 24 all divided by 2 2s are 4, right? Okay, look at here. So this one is what? 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 is what? 25. Yes, absolute right. by कितना? 4. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना. So look at here. So this one is what? 7 plus minus under root of 25 कितना आएगा आंसर? 5 है. बाय कितना? 4 है. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. ओके, so look at here. तो one root is what? Tell me here how many roots? 2 roots possible. How? What is the first root? First root is what? That is, I am writing over here, that is 7 plus 5 whole divided by 4, that is 12 by 4, cut, you are getting 3. This is the first root. Okay, then what is the second root? I am writing, so that is 7 minus 5 by 4. ठीक है, So this one is what? That is 2 by 4. Cut. So you are getting 1 by 2. This is the second root. Fine. Okay. So in this way, you can easily find the roots of the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula method. Okay. Okay. One more example. Look at here. So before discussing about second example, dear students, if you really like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. So look at here. This is the second example of quadratic equation. How can you find the roots of the quadratic equation? By using quadratic formula method. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखना. Okay, so tell me here, what is the value of a over here? A value is what? 3. Okay. B value is what? -5. Okay. C value is what? 2. Yes, fine. Absolute right. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. Okay. So now same procedure you have to apply. Okay. Directly you can put the formula over here. The question is asking you have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Directly simply put the formula over here. Okay. So what is the formula? Formula is what? That is I'm writing minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Just put it over here. So that means minus b. ठीक है. तो minus b का वैल्यू कितना है? -5 है. बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है. Plus minus that is b square. That means here -5 plus square minus 4 into a का वैल्यू कितना? 3. c का वैल्यू कितना? 2. ठीक है. all divided by कितना? 2a. a का वैल्यू कितना? 3 है. Clear it? Okay. Now see. So after that, what you have to do? Minus of -5 is what? +5. Okay. So this one is plus. Look at here. Under root of -5 का square कितना है? 25 minus. This one is what? 24. ठीक है. 4 divided by 2 3 से कितना? 6 है. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay. So now look at here. So that is 5 plus minus 25 minus 24 is what? 1. ठीक है. तो अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 4 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट? 6. ठीक है. So look at here. So that is 5 plus minus this one is under root of 1 is what? 1 by कितना? 6 है. Okay. So here there are two roots possible. Look at here. There are two roots possible. What are those? Look at here. So that means first one is that is 5 plus 1 by 6. So that means you can say that 5 plus 1 is what? 6 by 6. That is 1. The first root you are getting 1. ठीक है. What is the second root? Look at here. So that is, look at here. So that is 5 minus 1 by 6. ठीक है. 5 minus 1 is what? 4 by 6. Cut. So you are getting 2 by 3. This is the second root. 2 by 3. This is the second root. Okay. So in this way, whatever the example is given to you, whatever the quadratic equation given to you, by using quadratic formula method, you can easily find the roots of the quadratic equation. ठीक है. This is the very simplest way. By using quadratic formula method, you can easily find out the roots of the quadratic equation. ठीक है students. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you students. Thank you.